On Saturday, a vigil will be held for the Mesa mother of 7 who was shot and killed on her neighbor's doorstep. The family of 32-year-old Maria Lewis tells 12 News she was going for a walk around 2:30 in the morning last Saturday when the shooting happened. Mesa police say the homeowner, 47-year-old Dulance Morin, was involved in the shooting that killed Lewis. 12 News has confirmed Morin is an employee of the Attorney General's office. He is now on administrative leave as Mesa police continue their investigation. So joining me in studio to take a legal deep dive into this case is criminal defense attorney Hector Diaz. Hector, there's so many odd things about this case and so many unanswered questions. You've got Lewis, who was going on a morning walk at 2:30 in the morning, shot and killed on her neighbor's doorstep, which was Doran. But yet, Morin is involved in the shooting, not named a suspect, not, arrested for anything. What is it about this case?
I think some of the indication, reading some of the reports, I think there's some, obviously this person that was the employee put on leave from the Attorney General's office is probably involved in the shooting, right? That's issue number one that they're likely looking at. I know that Mesa PD is doing an investigation here, and they're going to be trying to piece together why did it happen?
Yeah.
You mentioned she's out at the middle of the night, early morning hours. What is she doing at that time? Did she come knock at the door? What was she doing? Is there any indication that she was maybe impaired by drugs or alcohol? And then was there a threat? Was there some kind of situation that this homeowner then was confronting? Was he dealing with? And so there are a lot of questions that, that the public has, I'm sure, in terms of this. And law enforcement is going to spend some time trying to figure out, was there this self-defense?
Right.
What are the issues there involved?
And let's just say, if it was self-defense, self-defense doesn't just necessarily mean that someone's coming at me and then you fire back and then it's okay. You can just claim self-defense.
Right. I think a lot of people have the mistaken belief that you can use deadly force to defend yourself in any situation that somebody's threatening you. That's not the case. And here, this is a person that, I know there's a mention he's a special agent. If he's, say, law enforcement, former law enforcement, they're going to review those issues as well because, they're trained when to use force. And so it is going to be a situation where they're going to ask a lot of questions. There's going to be an interview undoubtedly here in terms of what happened, what did you see, what was going on, and and the fact you have somebody banging potentially at your door at this time in the morning, that's going to be a factor as well.
And the fact that he was with the AG's office, worked in that office, is there any kind of different treatment at all?
If he's law enforcement, this person was law enforcement because some of the special agents, they're sworn peace officers there, and so if that's the situation that we have here, yes, he's going to be held to a different standard in terms of use of force.
Okay, Hector, thank you.